Welcome to this lightning-fast, supercharged explainer. Today, we're totally unlocking the hidden secrets of basic electronics, turning what seems like confusing science into an epic animated adventure. Seriously, get ready to power up. So, you gotta wonder, what invisible magic is actually powering your entire world? Just imagine this unseen, racing energy zooming inside all your absolute favorite glowing gadgets. We're talking about something moving way faster than a squad of neon ninjas. Section 1. The Neon Path Circuits. Okay, so to understand this magic, our energy heroes first need an ultimate glowing arena to race in. Now, think about the difference between these two setups. With an open circuit, it's kind of like a broken bridge. The flow just stops entirely, and boom, it's game over. But with a closed circuit, the neon track is totally complete, and that ultimate power just surges right through. Section 2. Danger Zone Short Circuits. Hold on though, heroes. We've got to watch out for a really chaotic and risky glitch in our arena. A short circuit is basically a dangerous, chaotic shortcut where the energy just goes totally rogue. When it takes this unintended, super fast path and completely skips the normal track, yeah, things get way too hot. Always, always avoid the shortcut. Section 3. The Push and Flow. All right, it's time to meet the incredible, glowing forces who are actually racing around our safe, closed-circuit arena. First up is potential. You can think of this as the ultimate push. It's basically this giant, energetic launch pad, like it's the mighty spark that forces our energy heroes to start moving and just blasts them right into the race. Next up, we have current. This is the flowing speed. See, current is the actual flow of those energetic runners racing nonstop through the vibrant neon path. And here's the cool part. The stronger the current, the more runners zoom by. Section 4. The obstacle, resistance. Because, every single epic quest has a giant challenge standing in the way. Meet resistance. It's the rocky, difficult terrain fighting back to slow our heroes down. Think of it like this big, tough monster that tries to squeeze the path and block our fast-running current from getting through. Ultimate combo. Ohm's law. So, how do these three forces actually interact? Well, it's an epic battle between the push, the speed, and the obstacle. Here's Ohm's law in action. Potential gives the massive push from behind. Then, resistance fights back hard from the front to slow things down. And current? Well, that's the actual speed that survives the battle and makes it all the way through the neon track. The harder the push and the weaker the obstacle, the faster the energy flows. This right here is the core mouth of Ohm's law transformed into a heroic rule for our arena. More push, less squeeze, and you get maximum speed. So here is my final question for you today. Where is this invisible magic racing in your room right now? Seriously, look around. Every single glowing screen and buzzing toy you see has a simple circuit inside, acting as a neon arena for this epic battle. Keep wondering about this stuff, keep exploring how electricity works, and stay supercharged.